My cat is a fucking, I don't fucking know, that bitch is a demon. Why is her eyes not pupilling?
Accidentally activate the cat lift.
This is a black household. You know damn well. No, you knew.
Personal space? Never heard of it. Making a mockery of his bath time.
Bro, this nigga sleeping like he owned the place. Yo, get the fuck up.
Can't even grab a snack in this house.
No, do not come over here, Loki. Do not come over here!
Down by 1 life.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.